Ryan here with my good friend
Jack Tristan.
And we have a really good treat for you today. It's actually quite rare. You don't see this every day.
Right, it really is. It's quite extraordinary, really.
And judging from my last video, there's no wind today, so you'll be able to hear.
It should be good.
Let's take a look. We might want to whisper.
Alright, our first species that we're looking at, right?
Yeah.
Is Josh Hamilton.
Hamilton. Very, very
He is known to
dangerous.
roll trucks.
Roll them like there's no tomorrow.
Let's take a look.
Very, very. Oh, wait.
Look at the gypsy right there.
Don't see that. Back to George.
Oh.
Oh, he's spotted us. Get down. I just said it's spotted.
There he is. Right, look how he smiles. Look at that, he has two Gatorades there. He really likes liquid, right?
Liquid, so he can lay his eggs.
Alright, Paul, let's tell us a little bit about Josh
Alright,
Hamilton.
I will tell you much about this one creature. There's little known about him. That's about all I know. But I can tell you one thing. Danger defines this man. He has no respect for life. He has no respect for anything. He tries to kill anyone who steps foot in his truck. He's just... Let's try to get a really good shot. Looks like there's a mate with him. You see his mate in the bottom?
Right, there's gypsies right over there.
Oh, two more gyps.
Look at those gypsies right over there.
Oh, those are good.
What are you guys doing? No.
Oh, look at there's a chief's gypsy right there with an earpiece.
Oh,
This is rare.
She's preaching her magic.
But look at the Josh right there.
I'll try to get the inner ear. That's his mating orifice.
Alright, what we're gonna do right here,
Just for you.
we're gonna try to get a better angle of the Josh. Right, I'm gonna go right under that door.
Right
Just
over
crawl, I'm gonna crawl right under it. And then Paul right here. I mean, that's my nickname for him, Paul. Really, his name isn't Paul, it's Patrick.
Patrick O'Ryan.
He's gonna roll right under that door with this here chair.
Alright, let's begin.
Here we go. He has to wait for me to crawl. Let's watch him roll over here.
Must be very, very quiet. Just the slightest vibration.
Hurry, go.
Slightest vibration can set them off, and we're gonna have a stampede. Oh! Alright, I can hear the chief gypsy now.
Let's look at Josh.
Alright. Are you getting a shot? You get a shot.
Get a little bit of him right now. Right, he has a fierce look on his face, but luckily there's a cage.
He wants to make it.
Look at that cage. He will not get through that cage.
He wants to mate. Hurry up, we must leave. They spotted us.
Right.
That's a very dangerous shot, America. I hope you appreciate it. I love this species. Alright, the next species we're gonna take out, or take a look at down there, I should say, is the rare Donny. That's his English name. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can't create a little distraction by rolling behind his ear wheelie device. See if we can stir up a little anger out of him. He's not that dangerous, but he is known to bite. So, we must use caution. Follow me.
Right, as as he creates a distraction, I won't get a good view of him. Right, and then me and Patrick are going to explain him to you. Let's tune in.
Alright. We're gonna have one shot at this.
Let's make sure it goes back there.
I hear him.
Everyone off? Eric, get off your MySpace account.
Alright, go!
There we go. Let's talk about it.
Alright.
Right, what was that, Patrick?
What you saw there was... He's quite angry right now, but I say we sneak back and... We entered a new layer. The layer of...
Right, this is where Law likes to sleep. This is his natural habitat. That was a very rare view of the Law right there. Right there, this is scary stuff.
Let me tell you, I'm sweating bullets. Let's take a look at his herd.
Right, the Law breeds a lot. I mean, this man has a lot of reproductive activities throughout the day.
Go take a look.
Let's go.
Oh shit.
The Law has a lot of offspring every year, thousands. That was from just today.
Alright. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our time we've had today. And we're just gonna head back down to our studio and have ourselves a drink.